I hope you guys are happy as I am today. I'm always happy anyway. Okay, I'm Angie Spice. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a lightening deodorant, a deodorant that is going to help brighten up your underarm, or keep it brighter if you already have a bright underarm, and also it's going to keep you feeling fresh all the time and smelling good, and also it's going to help soak all the wetness under your arm, like keeping the heat there off, so that way you can do no heat, everywhere will be, smelling good and tight. Let's get to the lab where I show you guys how to make it. Very simple and easy recipe. Here are the ingredients we're going to be needing. Here I have 2 tablespoons of organic virgin coconut oil. I've already measured it out. That's what you are seeing here. Make sure what you are using is pure organic. Okay, make sure it's pure and organic like mine. And here I have 2 tablespoons of beeswax. I'm using white beeswax. If you have the yellow one, you can also use it. The most important thing is make sure it's organic. As you can see, it's organic, but mine is white. Then here I have a teaspoon of baking soda. If you don't have a sensitive skin, you can use 1 tablespoon. But if you have a sensitive skin, like the person I'm making this for, you use a teaspoon. And here I have 2 tablespoons of corn starch. You can use corn starch. You can use what's the name? Arrowroot, I think so. So I'm using cornstarch. Then here I have about 1.5 teaspoon of bentonite clay. And here I have just a half teaspoon of licorice powder. Half teaspoon of licorice powder that will help brighten up the underarm, Then here I'm adding my lemon essential oil. I'm using, you can see it, lemon essential oil, or you can use any essential oil you like, but I'm using it because lemon lightens the skin, so it's a natural skin lightener. So what I need is for the deodorant to brighten up the underarm. Then I'll be adding my organic castor oil to it, vitamin E oil, tea tree oil, because tea tree is antibacterial, so it will help kill the bacteria, the sweats, So try and use tea tree, because it's deodorant. Then I'll be adding my cinnamon. This is the cinnamon herbs I infused myself. You can see I just love leaving it in there, so I'll be adding some few drops of it to help lighten up the underarm. Okay, so let's get started. So now I'm going to melt this. You can see it's solid, the coconut oil, so I'm going to add my beeswax to it and melt. Add the beeswax. Then I'm going to add my castor oil also. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of castor oil. So I'm going to melt this and I'll be back. Okay, so you can see the beeswax and the oils have melted, as you can see it now. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding. I'm going to start by adding my cinnamon oil. I'm going to take a dropper. So here I have about 2 ml. So I'll be adding 5. I need to add 5 ml of. I need to add just 5 ml of it. 5 ml means 1 teaspoon. Okay, now is go ahead and add my baking soda to it. Add the Betnet clay. Add my licorice powder. Then add the cornstarch. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix it properly. Beeswax, you can skip it and make it with your coconut oil or cocoa butter or shea butter. Okay, but I love adding beeswax so that it doesn't melt easily when the weather is hot or something. So beeswax will help keep it solid and so next I'm going to add my essential oils to it. So I'm starting with my lemon essential oil. So I'm going to add about 5 drops. If you know you're not sensitive to lemon, you can add up to 10 drops, but you know it's something that is going to go underarm. You need to be careful. For people that have sensitive skin, just use a little. Then I'm going to add about 10 drops of tea tree to it. Ten drops of tea tree oil and half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Half teaspoons of vitamin E oil, sorry. So give it a good stir. Stir it properly, and then you transfer it to your container. I forgot to show you, you need something like this. You know, I'm just recycling this one. You can recycle the one you have before, or you can buy a new one. You will see the link on where you can buy this on my website. My website, the blog section, I'm going to list it. Just click on it and then you go ahead and buy it. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it and I will be back. So just pour it. You can see when you pour it, then you leave it to dry. Mine has not really become solid that way, so I'm going to leave it to become solid. If you're in a hurry, you can put it in the fridge or just leave it in the room temperature to get solidified. So that is it, guys. Here is our lightening herbal deodorant. whatever you call it, it's natural. So the deodorant is very good. It's going to help now brighten up your underarm, lighten it up, and also keep you smelling fresh all day. Okay, so try it out and let me know in the comment box how yours turns out. That is it. Very easy and simple. If you like, you can add zinc oxide to it. I did not add zinc oxide because here now we are in the winter, so if you're in the hot part, hotter part of the if your weather now is hot or you are in a hotter part of the country, you can add zinc oxide to it. So guys, that is it. If you have any question, leave it down below. And if you if you have any question, leave it down below, and I will try my possible best to answer you. And for all the ingredients and measurements I use on this video, you're going to see them on my website, ngstylesonline.com. And for some of the ingredients I use in this video, if you want to buy it, I'm going to put some link on where you can get them. Okay, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay organically beautiful always, okay, and be happy and smile always. Very important. Bye bye guys. Mwah.